Hello all, welcome to our channel. So any kind of website, we can getting any kind of problem will be PHP, how to resolve it on your particular problem. So that is the main question is called PHP version. For example, I have to facing one problem will be PHP error was encountered. Any website, we can face these issues. You are the developer, you are the freelancer or anything you are facing problem. In a PHP version, there is an option called is PHP version. So where you can find out, go to software, select the PHP version. The PHP version is mainly problem for particular users. That will be. So we can go with option will be here. We can call this particular option will be here. So they will be fixed the particular website will be in this PHP error. So what are the errors you have to find out will be in this particular option. That will be check your current PHP version. So compulsory change the version will be here. The problem will be fixed. There will be fraction of seconds will be here. So sometimes what are the encounter will be facing the problem on your particular website. There will fix will be your current version option. Now you can fix your current version will be here. Where this is your current version. What are the version you have? Select it. Set as the current version. So you will be go to fix will be here. So here you can change your particular version and what are the issues you have fixed by your particular website. Any PHP version is compulsory facing the issues to website will be updation time. So compulsory version will be changing according to your particular. So you can go to native, you can fix your native option. So this is a method you have to follow it to the particular website to updating for PHP version. So based on updation, anyone will getting the PHP encounter error, nothing but is the PHP version issues. This is called coding issue will be here. This compulsory know about the particular error. So what is that error? The error will be nothing but PHP version is changed. The error will show PHP encountered. Nothing but there is a website will be problem will facing with the PHP version. So follow these steps and fix it your particular error. So any further questions, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.